The causes of the male infertility are due to sperm quality most of the times. There are many factors that could influence in the quality of the sperms. One of those are infections in the young times for the man. Others are tumors, infections, inflammation, and other causes on the testicles. Those are to be seen after we're making a test to prove the quality from the sperms. The other cause of the infertility are due to the women factor. There are many factors that are included in this women infertility. One of them is the age. Not the age itself, it's the age and the factors that are due to the age. The main of them is the decrease of the ovarian reserve. As we know, all women are born with the whole eggs that are going to have their whole life. These eggs tend to reduce in number and quality to the age. That represents that the elder the woman, the less eggs she's going to have and the less quality they're going to have. All of the factors for the infertility are due to the quality of the endometrium. If we're talking about elderly women, it might be possible that the endometrium don't react the proper way. It's not able to be stimulated when produce an endometrial lining that's proper to make a transfer, and that could be a problem. Other causes for infertility are tubal factors. That would mean that the tubes from the uterus are not in the position to permit the eggs to go from the ovaries to the uterus. If there are no eggs coming in the uterus, there might not be fertilization in the tubes, and there not be a possibility to make a pregnant. There are other factors that could affect the fertility. One of those are endometriosis. That means the tissue that actually should be in the endometrial lining will go somewhere else. That makes a reaction in your abdomen who will not make possible the eggs to travel from the ovaries to the endometrial lining. Other factors that are a possibility are dysregulation in the hormones. That means there is a disbalance in between the signals that are sent from the brain to the ovaries, and therefore they're not going to be sent on the ovaries, and there's not going to be stimulation for the follicles, and will be no egg production in the month. If you start to talk about in vitro fertilization or reproductive medicine, then we would like to talk about the egg quality. That's something we can work on. In most of the cases, if we don't have an embryo that will be transferred and will produce a pregnancy, the reason is that they are not genetically correct. That's why we have a queue to work on it, and that's the pre-implantational test. In Spain, we have the possibility to test embryos who are already produced in day 5 and see if they're genetically correct. Making this test will increase our chances to success in about 75 to 80%. I think we'll talk about many of the causes from the infertility, and if you have more information, you can contact us and we'll be pleased to talk to you.